Shut up and sit down.
Oh, hello and welcome to a North Wales side-by-side video. What I've got sat here are something called a dog bone. Anybody that's got a motorcycle that's got single rear shock will recognise these. And these have been made specifically, I've made these from some patterns a friend gave me. And these are actually slightly different dimension to the ones he gave me. He's got a Yamaha XT 660 10RA, and he originally dropped it 1 inch, and he was still struggling to get his feet on the ground. So he gave me the originals and gave me one of the ones he bought originally for the bike to drop it 1 inch. Now we're going down 1 3/4 inches. So today I've made 2 dog bones exactly the same. And tonight I've just come in to give them their last coat of paint so they can dry overnight. And I can then go tomorrow and fit them. They've been primed, they've had 1 coat of paint so far. And I'm just going to give them a quick dusting over. To protect them. And tomorrow I'm going to go and fit these to his bike and see actually how far does it go down. So I've now got the dimensions for standards, 1 inch drop, and what should be in theory 1 3/4 drop. But we will see tomorrow whether I've got my dimensions absolutely right. See what happens. These are the kind of little jobs I do. They're like one-offs. They're still going to be cheaper than buying them off a manufacturer, because these things are silly money to buy. And all they are is stamped steel. But I haven't stamped these out. They've been made out of a sheet of steel, cut out with the grinder, just as squares, centered all the holes, and then I've marked them out, and I've actually ground all the shapes into them with the angle grinder. And they've come out really good, to be honest. So them are the kind of little jobs I like doing. Fabricating. It's good fun. Anyway, thumbs up if you like the video. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Hopefully more projects like this turn up, because I really do enjoy making things like this. Thanks for watching.